I am studying in 7th standard English medium. My topic is suffix. I am Ashwini. My topic is prefix. Full, colorful, helpful, playful, less, colorless, hopeless, homeless, hood, childhood, adulthood, sisterhood, able, capable, valuable, unable, Asian, decoration, animation, duration, unhappy, unlock, uncover, undo, immoral, imperfect, impure, impolite, disappear, disobey, disagree, dislike, recall, remix, remove, reunion.